Hi everyone, I'm teacher Hidayah. Welcome back to my chemistry class. Students, I hope you already watched and learned the first part and the second part of my flipped classroom videos about the introduction of the periodic table of element. So we're going to continue our lesson. Okay, as usual, I want you to get ready with your periodic table of element first. Okay, my first question is, do you remember how the electron arrangement of an atom is written? You have learned about the concept in chapter 2. I hope you can still remember. Why? Because the writing of the electron arrangement is very important here to determine the position of an element in the periodic table. Okay, let's say we use the same example. Okay, if you still remember from the previous video, the last example we had used was chlorine. Okay, if you see from the periodic table, chlorine is located in group 17. Why? Why chlorine is located in group 17? Okay, let's recall back. The proton number of the chlorine is 17. And then you have to write the electron arrangement like this. And then you can check that the valence electron of chlorine is 7. So that's why chlorine is in group 17. Okay, as I said before, exception from group 13 to group 18. Okay, when you see the valence electron, you have to add number 1 in front of the digit to decide the group of the element, like chlorine just now. Okay, group is the vertical column. So from left to right, okay, altogether is 18, right? 18 group, 18 vertical columns. So from left, group 1, group 2, you see from group 3 to group 12, okay, labeled as transition element. So this is the biggest group in the periodic table. And then proceed with group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, like chlorine just now, when we see the valence electron is 7, means that it is located in group 17, not in group 7. Okay, to double check, you can see that the chlorine is not here. That's why we say that from group 3 to group 12, this is special group known as transition element. So from group 13 to group 18, when you want to check the position of the elements from this all, you can add 1 in front of the valence electron to decide its group. Okay, back to the same example, chlorine. Okay, chlorine, you check group 17. We already get the reason why chlorine is in group 17, because its valence electron is 7. But when you see the period, chlorine is in period 3. Why? Okay, same, it is still about electron arrangement. Okay, you see, the electron arrangement of chlorine is 2.8.7, shell 1, shell 2, and shell 3. Because the number of shell of electron occupied, okay, is 3, so that's why chlorine is in group 3.